Z125, putting on a graphics kit. So this is the first one that I put. I just put it on there and then just taped a couple parts where I feel there'll be a little bit of problem areas so I can hold it down. Ordered this kit, Destroyer Teal, the whole kit. Ordered it from them before, so they're all good ones. It's all good stuff. Cost like $150 for it, so figured to change it from all black, give it a little something. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to put this side. It's pretty simple. Just going to peel it back, and then once you peel it back, you just peel it from wherever you're going to start at. So let's see, we'll start from over here. I will start from the bottom. Okay, so you want to line it up as you're peeling it. So let's get your point where you're going to start. Be about right there. And then keep peeling. See, it's a little off, so let me pull that back off. Always make sure your panel's clean too. You got a good clean panel, you'll be alright. Okay, so I'll start right there. Put this side. Let's see. Okay. There we go. So you're gonna get bubbles, so you wanna work it through and get all the little pieces out. Okay, and then just keep pulling it. Like that. Oh, pull that back up. So that's how you put it on, and then you just go over it, go over all the edges, make sure they ain't gonna lift up on you. I mean, I know I'm not putting it on perfect by any means, but as long as you have it clean, you can kind of, it says on the instructions as well, you can pick it up and take it off again, and then just tape your edges, and then leave the bike for 24 hours without touching the plastics. And you always want to do it when it's on. So okay, so that's how it looks. There's no bubbles in it or anything. I have this little tool, so kind of just make sure you work it all in there. These are actually like really good quality too. Okay, just like that. Alright, so I put this side on. So the little extension, so this and this. So on this side, it's these two. Kind of go like that. So let me show you guys how it goes on. So just like that. And these are pretty simple to put on. Not hard at all. And they're thick too, so they're gonna last. They'll take care of the body, the plastics. This one, same thing, peel it, line it up. Like that. Like that. Then you want to push them down with a little tool, just make sure it kind of adheres to it pretty good. Alright, that's that side.